So I just stayed at the Lilydale Falls campsite last night. First night sleeping in the car. I got to say, not too bad. Not too bad. Probably give it about a 7 out of 10. Definitely take a little bit of getting used to. There's not an awful lot of headroom back there, but it was pretty comfortable. It was a lot better than the Spirit, because I just had a recliner to sleep in on there, and it was bloody uncomfortable. I think I got like 2 hours of sleep on the Spirit. Anyway, after cooking up some breakfast, I went up the hiking trail, and there was 2 waterfalls, and they were just absolutely beautiful.